Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to a journey into the heart of the future of manufacturing. Today, we dive deep into the world of CNC, or computer numerical control, and explore not just its incredible capabilities but also the exciting opportunities it presents for dream jobs and financial success. Segment 1: Unveiling the Power of CNC. CNC, the silent force behind modern manufacturing, is a game changer. It empowers machines with precision, speed, and accuracy like never before. From intricate designs to mass production, CNC is the wizardry that transforms imagination into reality. Expert Interview: CNC Specialist. Imagine a world where complex components are crafted effortlessly thanks to CNC programming. It allows for the production of high-quality products with minimal errors and waste, optimizing efficiency and reducing costs. Segment 2: Future Benefits of CNC. But what about the future? How does CNC shape industries in the long run? Industry Expert Interview: Future Applications of CNC. CNC is evolving rapidly. With advancements in artificial intelligence and machine learning, we're entering an era where machines can adapt and optimize their own processes. This not only boosts productivity but also opens doors to new possibilities, like personalized manufacturing and rapid prototyping. Segment 3: Dream Jobs in the World of CNC. Alright, now let's talk about dream jobs. What does the CNC revolution mean for aspiring professionals? Career Expert Interview: Opportunities in CNC. Jobs in CNC programming, machine operation, and maintenance are in high demand. As industries continue to embrace automation, skilled CNC professionals are becoming invaluable. It's not just a job. It's a career path that promises growth, challenges, and innovation. Segment 4: The Power of Money in CNC Careers. And now, the million-dollar question literally. How does the financial landscape look for those venturing into the world of CNC? Financial Analyst Interview: Lucrative Nature of CNC Careers. CNC professionals are well positioned for financial success. The demand for specialized skills translates into competitive salaries. Whether you're a programmer, operator, or maintenance expert, the CNC industry offers lucrative compensation packages, making it a golden ticket to financial prosperity. As we wrap up our exploration of CNC, it's evident that the future of manufacturing is bright, filled with innovation and abundant career opportunities. The power of CNC is not just in shaping materials but also in shaping dreams and financial futures. Join us next time as we continue our journey into the fascinating world of cutting-edge technologies. Until then, stay inspired, stay innovative,